Hello everybody, it's me Ethan, and this is how you make fart sounds. And all you have to do is a very easy step, like okay. So first one, keep your mouth open. So this part this lips has to come back out of this lips, like this. Saw my lips? Okay. And then, okay, whenever you do like this air, right? So, you do like this. How are you doing it? Is it like, there's air here. There's air here, right? And then you force it. Trim up by squeezing it. Like speaking it out. I don't know. So, that's the end of my video. That is how to make fart sounds. So next video, the third video that is going to come on Friday is how to make Easter eggs. How to make Easter eggs. Okay. So, bye. Peace out.